Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to reset network settings on iPhone. So if you want to reset network settings on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll all the way to general. From the general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the transfer or reset, then you're going to hit the reset button. Then you have a couple of options from here, and the main option we seem to be concerned about, because we want to fix a glitch in the network, it is just tap on reset network settings. So once you tap on reset network setting, this will figure out the glitch in your network, then it will reset your phone network. Then if you notice that the network glitch is not fixed, then just restart your phone, and that's how you can reset network settings. So just tap on the network settings, then you input your phone password or your face ID, then your phone will reset the network settings on your iPhone, and that is how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.